Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this HDR is disabled in RE Central Aver Media. So here it says source video not in HDR format. We might have done silly mistakes that I just want to show you. Before that, I just want to show this Windows settings. On Windows settings, you can see this HDR is disabled. HDR was on, but still this HDR button is disabled. But I'm going to turn it off. It's turned off. Now I'm going to fix it. The silly mistake what we have done is we are in multi-capture mode. That's why HDR is disabled. Example, there is a 2-tab, multi and single. So I'm going to click on the single mode. So this is the capture card I'm using. Automatically you can see this HDR is enabled here. See, enable HDR and optimize encoding setting. So this is a silly mistake we have done. So if you are in multi-capture mode, right, this HDR will be disabled. So you need to click on the single mode to enable the HDR. So now I'm going to enable this HDR. Super cool. It's successfully enabled here. If you see this disabled HDR, then HDR is enabled. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix HDR disabled issue in your RE Central Aver Media. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.